What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at 3 cool tech gadgets under 50 bucks from JustMobile, so stick around. Welcome back, and I'd first like to send a big shout out to the professional staff over at JustMobile for sending out these products for review. Their website will be linked down below. In terms of the unboxing, we get an excellent presentation from JustMobile with both text and images on all 3 packages, getting us more familiar with our products. So without further delay, let's go ahead and check out product number 1. And product number 1 is the LewCharge Ultra Slim Multi-Port USB Charger. Now this is the most expensive product out of all 3, however you do get your money's worth. For instance, the product itself is built extremely well, and we do have over voltage, over current, overload, overheat, and short circuit protection. Opening up the box for the very first time, we're presented with the power cord as well as the LewCharge multi-port USB charger itself. At just 0.72 inches by 1.8 centimeters thin, the LewCharge is barely taller than a USB port, yet it can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously from just one power supply. The device comes with 4 USB ports, 2.4 amps max per port, and a 31 watt 6.2 amp total output. The multi-port charger also auto-detects and allocates optimal charging for iOS and Android devices. This device does exactly what it states it can do. It's made out of high-quality aluminum construction, and I highly recommend it to everyone out there. Next, number 2 is the X10 Vent, and this is a very well-constructed smartphone holder that clips into the vent of your car, which will allow you to easily glance down at incoming notifications, and is also a great companion when using your device hands-free. Sure, there are a lot of smartphone holders out on the market currently. However, what I really like about this one is that it has a ball joint swivel mechanism that adjusts your viewing angle, and it also has a spot to actually tighten the device itself. The spot where you stick the device into the actual vent itself has several different size openings to adjust and fit to any size vent. And one of the most important questions of all is going to be what size devices fit in here. And the smartphones that will fit are going to be devices from 2.1 inches, which is 54 millimeters, to 3.6 inches, which is 91 millimeters wide. As you can see, my iPhone 7 Plus fit perfectly into the holder, and even with a really bulky case on the iPhone 7 Plus, the device still held up great. Again, the vent attachments fit almost any air vent, and you can rotate the device 360 degrees for portrait and landscape viewing. After using the X10 Vent for around a week inside of my truck, going over rough terrain, it held up great, and I have to say that it's definitely made out of some very high quality durable aluminum, and the ball joint is made out of quality material as well. With that being said, I highly recommend it to everyone out there. And lastly, we have the Headstand Avent. Taking a closer look at the back of the box, you can see there are 2 different color options available. One is a darker space gray option, and the other is a silver, similar to what a Mac looks like. Opening up the box for the very first time, we're presented with our included components, and as you can see, we do need to do a little bit of construction and actually build the stand. So after removing all the parts, we're going to go ahead and take the base, and we'll attach the high-rise hanger to the actual bottom by a screw. After that, there's a section to screw off on the top where you can place in the sidebar, and then reattach the top. And lastly, we'll attach our cylinder piece that's going to help make sure the headphones don't fall off. This headphone stand is compatible with nearly all headphones. It's made out of solid aluminum, and it has a precision engineered polished stand with a radial brush base. As you can see, assembly was simple with no tools required, and while having rather heavy headphones on the stand, it still exhibited perfect balance. I've been using this headphone stand for a couple days, and what can I say, it's a headphone stand. It blends in perfectly with my Mac and my Apple accessories, and up to this point I've just stored my headphones on my Mac itself, so having a stand that actually matches the iMac perfectly is definitely a nice touch. With that being said, I highly recommend this headphone stand to everyone out there. Links to all 3 products mentioned will be down in the video description. If you're new here, my name is Aaron and I make tech videos. I cover both Apple and Android devices, so consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.